Hello, my name is Paul Jones, Chairman of Warley Club, and you may have seen me before on our club videos. Like a lot of organisations, probably most organisations, the coronavirus has had an impact on the activities of Warley Model Railway Club in the last few months. Members have been working at home on their projects, and our intranet system has enabled members to keep in touch with what's been going on with their personal projects, and also to tell us what's been happening in the hobby and historical research that members have been undertaking for their particular projects. It's all been very interesting. One of the ideas that was developed by Bob Meanley and John Parry, two of our members, was to have a competition. The competition was to build a photographic plank to be used for obviously photographing models. The idea being this was a relatively small scale project that members could complete in a relatively short space of time. A number of members rose to the challenge, and Andrew will be showing the results of our members' work in this video. A small prize will be given to the winning photographic plank, and that photographic plank will be voted on by the members of the club on the club intranet. Just by way of a taster, to the left of me is my own effort in O-gauge, designed to show stock and photograph it for my personal record. Hope you enjoy this video and keep modelling.